What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. This tech tip I'm going to be showing you is very easy, something that you guys can do yourself, and it kind of takes the place of buying a tool. But in this case, I do have the tool, but I like to use my little tech tip as well, most of the time instead of using the actual tool. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so say you're removing some coolant hoses, these coolant hoses right here, and you want to save the coolant that's in the reservoir and the radiator and whatnot. For small coolant hoses like this, all I like to do is I like to remove it, and I like to pinch them off with some hose clamp pliers. And what those do is it just pinches off the hose so no coolant comes out. So this tech tip right here is very simple, and what that does, what its main intention is, that is if you guys don't have the pinch off pliers or the cut off pliers, this tech tip is so that you guys can work around it and still get the job done without wasting fluid. And the way to do that is to grab spark plugs. Spark plugs make great ways to cut off fluid. By using spark plugs, it relieves the need to go and buy some hose pliers and whatnot. So what that does is, all you have to do is you take the hose, take the clamp off. Instead of pinching it up with the pliers, all you have to do is take off the hose, save whatever fluid you can, get your spark plug and stick it in, and no fluid comes out. So that's a great little tip for you guys, and I hope that you guys actually enjoy or use this tip, because this tip actually comes in handy a lot, especially where the pliers, if you do have pliers and the pliers can't fit in a certain spot because it's in a tight spot, you can always use spark plug, and it saves you so much space and it allows you to save the fluid. So yeah, that was my Tech Tip Tuesday for you guys. If you guys liked this tip or found it informative, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Sorry for some of the background noises in this video, but my main focus is to finish my job. As the tech tips come around, I like to take videos so I can get it out to you guys. I can't control the noise in the shop or what goes in the shop, so sorry again for all the background noise. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you guys for watching.